Dr. Hudson, I'm concerned about Mr. Larry's condition. He's been admitted with acute chest pain and shortness of breath.
Thank you for the update, Dr. Mihira. Can you provide more details about his medical history?
He has a history of hypertension and hyperlipidemia. He's also a smoker.
Does he have any family history of heart disease?
Yes, his father passed away from a heart attack at a young age.
We need to consider the possibility of a heart attack or angina. Let's order an electrocardiogram and cardiac enzymes to assess his cardiac status.
I've already ordered those tests. We'll also need to monitor his vital signs closely and administer oxygen therapy.
Good, Dr. Mihira. We should also consider administering aspirin to prevent blood clot formation.
I'll discuss the treatment plan with Mr. Larry and his family. It's important to keep them informed about his condition and the steps we're taking.
I understand how unsettling and painful it can be when those sudden cramps take hold, Mihira, and I want you to know that there are many gentle ways to find relief and reclaim your comfort. When a cramp strikes, the most immediate way to soothe the muscle is through a slow, deliberate stretch. Try flexing your foot upward toward your shin to lengthen the calf muscle. You might find that a soft, circular massage over the tightened area helps the fibers relax, or you can apply a cold pack to numb the initial sharp pain. Some people find that once the intense spasm passes, a warm compress is better for easing the remaining soreness and encouraging blood flow back to the tissue. Mihira, to keep these cramps from returning, creating a soothing nighttime ritual is incredibly effective. Taking a warm bath before bed can relax your entire nervous system and keep your muscles supple throughout the night. It is also helpful to perform a few minutes of gentle calf stretches right before you tuck yourself in. Staying consistently hydrated throughout the day and being mindful not to overexert yourself during physical activities will provide your body with the resilience it needs. By treating your body with this extra layer of care, you can move toward much more peaceful, uninterrupted rest.